Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right clamp size and getting it into position. Slide the metal band over the hose before you push the hose onto the barb. Doing it after makes tightening impossible. Once done, orient the screw housing where you can reach it with a driver. This prevents cross-threading and awkward angles. Make sure the hose end sits evenly on the fitting with no gaps, because an uneven seat will leak even with a tight clamp. You now tighten the clamp carefully to create a leak-free seal. Use a driver that matches the screw head so you don't strip it, and turn slowly while watching the hose compress. Tighten in small increments and check that the band stays parallel to the hose. This ensures even pressure. If the clamp has a torque spec, use a torque driver. Otherwise, stop when the hose deforms slightly but is not pinched, because over-tightening damages the hose and reduces longevity. You finish by inspecting and testing the connection under real conditions. Make sure the clamp sits flat, the screw head is accessible, and the hose shows uniform compression. Once done, run the system to operating pressure and watch for drips or creeping. If you see leaks, stop and hand tighten up to 1/2 turn more, then retest. If leakage persists or the clamp cuts the hose, replace the clamp with the correct style or size and reseat the hose, because continuing to tighten will only make things worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.